Hello everyone, Fluffy here, back with another mukbang. I know it's been forever and I'll touch base a little bit on what's been going on. What I have for you today is pozole. And I know it looks a little different, it's a little thick, but it's so good. And this pozole is from, I told you I had two sisters married to brothers, and my younger sister has the 4 kids. This pozole was made by her youngest son's girlfriend, so my niece. And so it was her first time making it. I've already had some at her house, and I wanted to bring some home so that I could do a mukbang with y'all. So, I'm sorry I didn't get a close-up done. This is real good. Let me get you close up this way. Ooh, did y'all see that? Try to get, okay, there we go. I hope you liked that video I did with Sarge at her house. We had so much fun. If you didn't know that we did a video together again, well, now you know, so head on over to her channel. We had bangers and mash. That was really good. The homony's in here. There's beef in here. This recipe is based off my sister's version of pozole, her future mother-in-law. It's coming out real good. So I've got water. Been under a lot of stress lately, especially these last few days. Got a not so nice text from the ex, and that kind of stressed me out. The subject matter, and then it pissed me off that it pissed me off. I guess I should be indifferent by now. She had a mutual friend of ours. She claims that the friend was mean to her, and what did I say to them? And she talked about slander. And a lawyer, how can you slander me when you're asking me what I said? So, and if something goes wrong, it's always got to be my fault. I'm the reason. So, we went back and forth a couple of times. So, looked up slander. According to what I read, go for it. If I have any attorneys out there that watch me, you can email me. Fluffy hates fibro. I don't know if she watches my video or somebody's watching for her. I'll probably get another nasty text. But it had me really kind of down, so I really haven't felt like filming. But it was good to get out of the house and go see Sarge and do the video with her. Went to Taco Tuesday with my mom, and that was the only meal I had today. So I got this on Saturday, and my daughter's like, Mom, you know, we really need to do a mukbang. She knows once I get going with them, they make me feel better, so, and I'm feeling better. So. If you hear some moving around, that's my kid. You don't have to do that, kid. You've done enough. You're on your foot. Up until heating this up for me, she's been really doing good. Respecting my wishes and staying on her hiney. Fixed breakfast for her this morning. Something actually successful and nutritious. Made omelet sandwiches. You know, we make an omelet and then put the omelet in between. Thank you, Tim. Hopefully we can get that foot. You go to work next week. Oh, I've had a couple of successful meals, she said, for her. I'm working on it, but they're so few and far between, so what I did yesterday, prepared meals are expensive, but I wanted to have her eat something halfway decent, so I got some freezer meals for her. And right now she's having Kung Pao chicken, orange chicken, sesame chicken. I knew I'd name enough of them. It's those Healthy Choice steamer meals. I know it's not the same as home meals, but at least it's a meal, you know. And she or I can, it looks good. Heat up for her. So, that's where I've been. You know, my daughter doesn't ever ask for anything. Even as a child. Maybe she was really young, you know, she made a Christmas list, but when she got into the double digits, I'm just like pulling teeth from her to figure out what to get her because, oh, I don't need nothing, you know. So, on the way to Sarge's house, she texted me a picture of this new Hershey candy bar. Pretzels and peanut butter or something like that. The 7-Elevens are supposed to have the giant bars, buy two, get one free. And I'm telling Sarge, this kid don't ask for anything, so I stopped at the 7-Eleven, but it wasn't a participating 7-Eleven, so I just bought her one bar. I got me a score, y'all. It's like creamy peanut brittle. That's what it reminds me of. My daughter just loved them. She was so happy to get it. Something, a $2 chocolate bar makes her happy. She put it all over Facebook. I was like, oh. That's a good one. Bad tooth. Half of it's gone. Like from this way to this way. I must have been swallowing the pieces because I don't remember. They're really sharp edge. It broke off. I could feel that one. The other day I bit down on something and now the other way is cracked in half and it's really loose. So anytime I bite down on it real hard, it kind of hurts. But working through it. Niece of mine who made this, if you're watching. This was really good. I didn't have a second bowl at their house because I wanted to bring some home to eat with y'all. Y'all, and he'll probably send me an ugly email because it took him forever to tell me. My friend Cheese, he's got a channel. Who got like 5 or 6 videos up. The most recent one is about that young kid that got bullied that went viral. And if I remember, because you know how my memory is, especially when I'm stressed, fibrofog's been bad. I'm just in this corner. I'll put a link. Sorry, Cheese, I love you and I want you to get views. And you can see what he looks like. Now watch. He'll unsubscribe. I told you about the channel. I'm a snitch, sorry. We're all cut up. We watched both Stranger Things. Told you, come on back, Fluffy. Stranger Things, both seasons, like 3 or 4 times. So we're on Netflix, wonder what to watch. So we watched this one. It's only 1 season on this one. It's called Crazy Head. Like you wanted to call it Crackhead. I'm not going to tell you too much about it because if you decide to watch it, I don't want to, you know, spoilers. But 2 likely people going demon hunting. That's all I'm going to say. But it's funny. If you're hard at understanding strong accents, make sure the closed caption's on. So, one of the main characters, so we watched that, but I guess you're going to see how that is Netflix. Pardon me, a Netflix original. It was a British series. There's no plans to do a 2nd season because I guess they're trying to see how well it does. Only 6 episodes of this season. So we got that done in about 3 days. Comes the runs, the heat. Sorry, y'all. One of y'all are sensitive to that. Click out. I'm good. I've got some right here on the laptop. Cheese, you're the reason I have kimchi back in the house. I want to thank you again for that gift card. It came in handy at the Omar. And then later that day, we used Flipside's gift and had takeout for the first time since our garbage started, you know. And we ate at Popeyes. So I hope that's okay how I spent the money. Holding on to Devon's for a little while. "17 minutes in and look how much I've gotten down." Niece of mine, if that doesn't tell you. And it's really weird because the last pozole I had was from another niece, which was this niece's boyfriend, who's my nephew, his sister, his only sister. Yeah, this bright green. I don't know, it looks muted. It almost looks like a sky blue, but it's like green, almost grass green. Ooh, she put some chile in here. What are the chilies that grandmother uses? Guajillo. I think that's what she said she put in here. You hear that thumping? It's my daughter's dog's tail thumping up against the couch. All my daughter has to do is look at her. This is water because on the way home from Taco Tuesday today, we stopped by McDonald's and got a soda. We're bad. I've had my soda because they're only $1. Any size, $1. Oh, hello. Hello. You get this much soda for $1, or one of the bottle ones for, I think here they're like $1.56 sometimes, $1.79. So yeah. But now I have to drink water. Was good? Good. No, we don't like eating TV dinners and stuff. Number one, they're a little pricey. But for two, we're both trying to eat clean. But she just can't seem to get that foot well. It's getting a little bit better because she's been halfway behaving. You know, just sit down, you know. Of course, that's got me moving more. So with my stress and more physicality, but that's not her fault. She can't help that she hurt her foot. You know what I mean? I'm not judging or anything. I'm not complaining. So it's just a lot of moving, so. But we think she'll be ready to go by next week. Trying to really stay off of it, step off of it. Stay off of it. I'm really sorry it's been a while. It's been like 5 days. 12 minus 7 is 5 days. Because I think Fluffy's mailbox was the 7th. Now right now it's 9:51 p.m. Texas time on a Tuesday. So this is not going to be up until tomorrow, like midday. Well, there's just a little left, and I am full. It's got a little crispy, and I thought I could eat them, but this tooth. But I love corn tortillas. Like, went to Taco Tuesday. Me and my mother usually get the crispy beef tacos, and my daughter gets the soft chicken, because the soft chicken is flour tortillas. And to me, tacos, hello. Aside from a breakfast burrito, breakfast taco, I think corn tortillas. And they don't make soft corn tortillas. It's only the crispy shells, so I couldn't do it today. I had to get me a soft beef. So, this is so good with this. Anyway, I'm sorry this is short and sweet. I hope you enjoyed it. I didn't bring you down too much talking about the eggs, but it is what it is, and that's what's got me not filming for 5 days. So, you know, I keep everything real with y'all, so please don't think I'm whining. It's just letting you know what's been going on. So, I may go into it more at a later time, but for now, that's all I'm going to say. Anyway, I thank y'all for watching. God bless y'all. Positive vibes out to each and every one of you. Remember to always be kind, and I will talk to y'all real soon. P.S. Evan, I love my banner. Y'all check out my banner. He sent it to me today, so it's up already. Y'all take care. Bye.